Let's do a quick tour of our TalonNet site. Normally, when you come into TalonNet, probably the first thing you want to do is click on the syllabus link and go ahead and open up the class schedule. This will give you an overview of what you have due every week and what you need to do. So for example, this first week of class, it's all about the orientation and introduction to the course, and you have to submit a score report, quiz 1, a lab, all by 11:30 p.m. on Wednesday, August 27th. All right, so if we go back to the home page, the other thing you should normally do is check the announcements section. This is where I'll have any messages that you need, right? And so you can just open up the message by clicking there. And then the next thing you'll do is go into lessons. And you'll look for the lesson for the week that we're in. So right now we're in week 1, and you would see hyperlinks where you'd be able to open up what you need to do for the lesson. The lesson is equivalent to the lecture, and you should always complete the lesson and send in the score report before you start the assignment, because the lesson's going to give you the information you need to do the assignment or provide you with a different way of thinking about something you've done many times before. After you've completed the lesson, like I said before, you'll go into assignments, and there'll be hyperlinks for whatever assignments are due this week, and you can see the date that it's due right over here. And in some weeks, like this week for example, you'll also go into tests and quizzes, and your quiz will show up when it's ready, so when it's open. Other aspects of TalonNet that you'll want to use. If you've got a message for me, if you want to communicate with me, the easiest way to do it is click on the messages link, compose a message, and then you can scroll down until you see my name. You're going to send me an email copy. Make sure you write Library 100 in the subject line, and then you can send me a message through this system instead of opening up the email. Another place where you might want to go is the chat room. And this is a place where you can communicate with other students and ask each other questions. And throughout the class, if you're wondering how your grades are, how well you're doing in class, you can always click on the grade book. And it's going to give you any of the grades that you have. It'll also give you your course grade up to that point. There's other parts of the site we'll use later in the class, but that's pretty much all you need to know for right now.